Regular grammar is a type of formal grammar used in the study of languages and automata theory. It is a set of rules that structure of strings. In a formal language, regular grammar can be divided into two types: right and left linear grammars. Components ng terminal symbols used to define the structure of the language. Terminal symbols, the basic symbols of the language that cannot be replaced. Production rules that describe how non-terminal symbol can be replaced by combinations of terminal and or non-terminal symbols. Start symbol, a special non-terminal symbol from which production begins. Types of grammar: right linear grammar. All production rules are of the form A, X and B are A and X, where A and B are non-terminal and X is a string of terminal possibly empty. This is a string of terminal symbols. Rules of computation. Discuss two examples. Example 1. Write linear grammar for strings of A and B. Consider the following: write linear grammar. 1. S, A and S. 2. S, B and S. 3. S and E. Thank you.